Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Always Secured Automation. In this video, we will discuss Module 3.1, Hydroelectric Power Plant Basic and Site Selection. In hydroelectric power plant, the energy of water is utilized to drive the turbine, which in turn runs the generator to produce electricity. It is a naturally available renewable energy source. Nearly 20% of the total power of the world is met by hydropower stations. Advantages: water source is periodically available. No fuel is required to be burned to generate electricity, and it is called as the white coal. Water passes through turbines to produce work, and downstream its utility remains undiminished for irrigation of farms and quenching the thirst of people. The running costs of hydropower installations are very low as compared to thermal or nuclear power stations. In thermal stations, besides the cost of fuel, one has to take into account the transportation cost of the fuel also. There is no problem with regards to the disposal of ash as in a thermal station. The problem of emission of polluting gases and particulates to the atmosphere also does not exist. Hydropower does not produce any greenhouse effect, causing the pernicious acid rain and emit obnoxious. The hydraulic turbine can be switched on and off in a very short time. In a thermal or nuclear power plant, the steam turbine is put on turning gear for about 2 days during startup and shutdown. The hydraulic power plant is relatively simple in concept and self-contained in operation. Its system reliability is much greater than that of other power plants. Modern hydropower equipment has a greater life expectancy and can easily last 50 years or more. This can be compared with the effective life of about 30 years of a thermal or nuclear station. Due to its great ease of taking up and throwing off the load, the hydropower can be used as the ideal spinning reserve in a system mix of thermal, hydro, and nuclear power stations. Modern hydrogenerators give high efficiency over a considerable range of load. This helps in improving the system efficiency. Hydro plants provide ancillary benefits like irrigation, flood control, afforestation, navigation, and aquaculture. Being simple in design and operation, the hydro plants do not require highly skilled workers. Manpower requirement is also low. Disadvantages: hydropower projects are capital-intensive with a low rate of return. The annual interest of this capital cost is a large part of the annual cost of hydropower installations. The commissioning period of hydro projects is quite large. The gap between the foundation and completion of a project may extend from 10 to 15 years. Power generation is dependent on the quantity of water available, which may vary from season to season and year to year. Such plants are often far away from the load center and require long transmission lines to deliver power. Thus, the cost of transmission lines and losses in them are more. Large hydro plants disturb the ecology of the area by way of deforestation, destroying vegetation and uprooting people. Selection of site for the hydroelectric plant. Availability of water. The design and capacity of the hydro plant greatly depends on the amount of water available at the site. The storage capacity can be estimated with the help of mass curve. Available water head. In order to generate the desired quantity of power, it is necessary that a large quantity of water at a sufficient head should be available. Accessibility of the site. The site should be easily accessible by rail and road. Distance from the load center. Type of the land of the site. The land of the site should be steep and rocky. The dam constructed at the site should have large catchment area to store water at high head. Thank you for watching our video.